Manufacturing companies face many global and economic challenges that make it difficult to reduce costs. My coffee is more expensive now. My toilet paper is more expensive now. Why is everything so expensive? So I guess it only makes sense that manufacturing is getting hit with high costs as well. That's where BPMS can help. With the help of technologies such as BPMS, you can see major improvements in 4 main areas of management. First, with operations management. You can automate critical business processes to drive productivity, efficiency, and greater ROI for the organization. Create and collaborate with a central repository of knowledge and intellectual assets to reduce human error and build stronger execution models across the organization. Enforce business rules and quality standards consistently and without time-consuming human oversight, yet with the flexibility to modify and adapt as needed. And you can streamline operations and improve productivity for distributed teams using mobile functionality or workstations on a shop floor. Secondly, with supply chain management. You can gain full visibility on processes and workflows in real time anywhere in the operation. Reduce complexity with a single, simple to use BPMS platform for tasks and workflow management. Automate critical workflows and operational processes, minimizing human error, and improving continuity and performance. Change processes on the fly using adaptive technology while providing alerts and notifications to potential bottlenecks before they occur. And you can scale millions of activities and tasks, multiple processes and workflows, and create full globalization functionality. Third, with product lifecycle management, you can reduce time to market through automated workflows and processes, converge knowledge in a central repository accessible by anyone you authorize, whether internal or external to the operation or business, collaborate across all operations and locations wherever they are, with optimal interoperability, leveraging people, assets, and processes, speed up productivity with fully automated processes, compliance, and reporting, and you can reduce costs by quickly deploying business applications and processes without the need for the IT department or specialist coding or development skills. And lastly, with sales and order management, you can gain full visibility of your data through one repository of all your information and data from across your operation. Simplify and accelerate order entry with fully customizable forms and business apps you can design on the fly for use by staff, partners, and customers. Enhance team collaboration through enterprise task management and communication, resource utilization, and workload visualization, as well as full visibility of where an order is in the process and who needs to execute it. Build full reporting capability using automated distributable reports that are fully customizable. Enable reports to only allow access to data and information by authorized recipients at the individual level. And secure customer information and sensitive financial data with a highly secure platform, providing a non-reputable compliance log and audit trail of all activity. That is awesome. BPMS tools such as HighGear will increase efficiencies across your entire manufacturing operation, improve quality control and standards compliance, reduce complexity, and yes, lower costs. Thanks very much for watching. Please feel free to schedule a demo to learn how we can help you to continue achieving business excellence using the link below this video. Stay tuned for more helpful videos, and we will see you next time.